H.D. Kumaraswamy. Thanks very much, Mr. Kumaraswamy, for speaking to us. Karnataka, at least, getting a smile on the face of your alliance. First up, what is your assessment of the numbers so far from Karnataka? Mr. Kumaraswamy, if you can hear me, what is your assessment of the numbers so far? The fact that you have managed to get 2 out of the 3 seats that you contested.
Hello. Yes, I'm hearing.
2 out of 3 strike rate for you, Mr. Kumaraswamy. Happy or disappointed? You wanted a 3-on-3.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pardon, madam. Good morning, madam.
So what do you make of your performance? Indian National Congress has increased their tally to 10 from 1. You have struck 2 out of 3. What do you make of these Karnataka numbers?
Karnataka, we expected more than 25 seats from both BJP and JDS. One side we are we are happy with that result, but some disappointment also is there because we are expecting more than 25 seats in this election. Because of money power of the Congress and the misuse of the government machinery, I think they got some more seats, what we expected. They have crossed that expectation. Because of money power and their government machinery's misuse, they got 10, I think they were going to reach 9 to 10 seats.
Why do you think you lost Hassan? And that too right now, from what I see, the difference is of about 50,000 votes in Hassan. 37,000, sorry now.
Yes. In Hassan, even 2 days back, exit poll also they have given us 2 seats, Kolar and Mandya. Hassan, early itself they are expecting that we are going to lose that seat. Some mistake was there actually. I don't want to comment to the public. Whatever mistake we had in Hassan to lose that election, we will set right in future days.
What about Bengaluru rural? You know, you said the Congress is using money power, muscle power, but DK Suresh ends up losing Bengaluru rural. How does that happen?
I will agree. What you are telling about a particular constituency of Bangalore rural, there also from last 6 months, Congress misused their office, distributing the cookers and dining sets, even circulating huge money. Even after all those efforts, they lost the election in that constituency. On the advice of Honorable Home Minister, in our family we decided to select Dr. Manjunath as a candidate from BJP. Several people criticized at that time what we have taken the decision by putting Manjunath as a BJP candidate. That decision why we have taken, that is political strategy we have done after the advice of our Home Minister. Ultimately, even after the misuse of power or circulating huge money also, Dr. Manjunath, one side, he worked in his 35 years as a doctor. He had a good name in that his service. Not only that, Narendra Modi's image, what our Narendra Modi's image in Bangalore city, all those things helped us to win that election.
Very, very interesting. You've actually got 2 wins in the family. To you too, congratulations. The fact that you have won Mandya by 2,72,000 and a margin of 182 for Dr. C.N. Manjunath, brother-in-law of Mr. Kumaraswamy, and also now the winning candidate from Bengaluru rural. Thanks very much.